Hey YouTube, it's Miss Rocky or whatever, and I'm about to make a reaction to One Guy, One Screwdriver. I don't know what to expect from this video, but I'm hoping it's not what I think it is. Also, I'm video chatting with Travis, and he is annoying me in my ear right now, so excuse me if I laugh. But here goes nothing or whatever. I'm scared. Oh my god. What the fuck? Hold on. What the fuck is he doing? Hold on. What the fuck? That shit is so nasty. First of all, his ass is all wrinkly. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so nasty. It's bleeding. Oh my god. Oh. This is so ridiculous. I wanna cry. This shit is so nasty. No, it's still going. What the fuck is wrong with him? It's blood, like, it just won't stop bleeding. Oh my god, he's fucking psycho. Oh my god. Okay, it's over. That shit was really nasty. He need his ass whooped. He need Jesus. And he need a new dick because that dick ain't never functioning the same no more. I cannot believe he stuck it that far. He put it in the... Look at all that blood on the floor. Oh my god. I'm gonna send you the link. But this is so nasty. I don't encourage anybody to watch this. I think this is pathetic. It's disgusting. How could you stick a screwdriver up your little asshole? Like, I don't get... That's disgusting. And then backwards. Like, hell no, that's nasty. He's dying. He's probably dead right now. He's probably dead. He probably got AIDS and just wanted to make a video or something stupid before he died, because this shit is nasty. I don't know. I'm out. That was disgusting. Deuces. Holla.